Hello, Michael, a Mercedes guy here, and we're working on a 123 bodied 300 turbo diesel. This is an 82, and the turn signal does not work. I've already checked all of the light bulbs and cleaned the contacts and greased them. On this model, it's a rocker emergency flasher switch right here, but the actual flasher unit is located in here. So first step, put a block under the tire so the car won't roll, put on the emergency brake, and get this into low so that you can pull the ashtray out, and we're going to pull out the ashtray housing. With the ashtray housing out and disconnected from the electrical terminal, normally you lift this up and slide it backwards, the wood piece. However, somebody has broke off the tab, I should say, singular, and put in these screws, which is a common fix. So we'll get those screws out of there, and then pull this up, and carefully with it up, there's the relay for the flasher. With anything electrical, you disconnect the negative cable from the battery before you start. And I'm going to pop this relay off of the connector. And I'm going to use one of my used ones and see if we get it operational. Okay, I've installed a used one from my many used items I have. Turn the key to the operation position. You do not need to start the car. And we have function. We have function. Now do note, sometimes these relays can be intermittent. So I'm going to occasionally come out and cycle this to make sure that it works for a period of time. I don't want to just cut the car loose right now to the customer and have this relay fail.